Well, hello everyone. Christine McKee here from the Emerging Technology team. And on today's Gift of Geeky, I'm going to introduce you to the wonderful world of Microsoft MakeCode Arcade, where you can code your very own video games. For today's activity, we're going to remix one of the tutorials in order to create our very own Christmas game, Collect the Presents. So stay tuned. We're going to get coding right away. All right, so our first step is going to be to navigate to the home page of Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. So either here in the search bar or up here in the address bar, we can enter arcade.makecode.com and click enter on our keyboard. You should arrive at the home screen for Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. Next, we're going to scroll down to tutorials. And for today's activity, we will be remixing the game Collect the Clovers. Click on the game Collect the Clovers and select Start Tutorial. Select OK, and this will launch the MakeCode Arcade Editor. Here we can start coding our game using blocks of code and the step-by-step instructions here along the top of the editor. Okay, so now it's your turn. See if you can navigate to arcade.makecode.com and select the tutorial Collect the Clovers. Once you're inside the arcade editor, click the next slide in order to view my next tutorial video. See you soon!